And Contact 7 is here to help with your questions about coronavirus.
Our Contact 7 coronavirus hotline is open 24/7. We're getting a lot of questions about the possibility of sheltering in place and how uninsured people can get the health care they need.
Denver 7's Jessica Porter has some answers tonight.
As cities and counties turn to drastic measures to try and contain the spread of coronavirus, some are worried about what shelter in place means for going about their daily lives. In most cities, being told to shelter in place, there are some exceptions for leaving your home, like going to the doctor, pharmacy, grocery store, leaving to care for a family member, and even a jog may be permitted.
Right now, it's not something that is immediately being considered by the city of Denver. And if we do it, we will do it as a region and certainly prefer to do it as a state.
Doesn't mean they couldn't go for a hike. They can go to a number of facilities that are necessary for their own health and well-being. It doesn't mean that there's going to be a shortage of food.
As state officials take these extreme measures to reduce the spread of coronavirus, some are wondering how far do the governor's powers extend? Well, Governor Polis can order the quarantine of people or property, use emergency money to pay for response, suspend state laws that would delay emergency response, take control of private property to use for disaster response, but property owners would be compensated. Governor Polis can order evacuations, suspend or limit sales of alcohol, firearms, and explosives, regulate disposal of corpses and infectious waste, call on a special session for legislators, and as the commander of state military, he activated the National Guard to help with testing. And finally, we have been getting a number of calls to our hotline from people who say they are experiencing COVID-19 symptoms but don't have insurance. Testing fees are being waived, and I have compiled a list of free or low-cost healthcare providers to call on thedenverchannel.com. Please take the health and safety of yourself and those around you seriously and get help. For Denver 7, I'm Jessica Porter.